Hi there, and welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I will go over a simple weight loss spreadsheet that I've created in Google Sheets. It's quite simple, this sheet. It has a few charts and some tables, and that's pretty much it. There's really no complex formulas involved in this type of sheet. The starting weight and desired weight, these are just numbers that you can enter to put in your actual goal so you can see it here. These numbers are not tied to any formulas or anything like that. It just shows you what you're aiming for over the span of one full year. This table down here allows you to enter your actual weights and your target weight based on the week. So what you're going to want to do is fill in this complete column here all the way down to the end of the week time frame. You could set this up daily as well if you want. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Instead of weeks, you would just change the names here. It's just basically a table which allows you to enter data over a period of time, whatever that period of time duration may be. But you're going to want to fill in all these numbers here on the right side of this table in order to ensure that these charts are filled out properly and automatically. And then once you fill out the target weights for the entire period, you will enter in the actual weights as they progress. So I will enter a few in more here, and you will see these charts start to fill out depending on what you're at. You'll see that the actual weights are actually a bit lower than the target rate on this, and you see this line crosses over now as well. One other thing to mention, you may want to change the axis here depending on your preference of the chart. So right now you can see it's the lowest weight you can be is 0 here. You may not want to see that. Maybe you want the lowest weight to only be your desired weight. So in order to do that, you're just going to double click on this left axis here. And then in the minimum value, you're going to enter in whatever you desire. So here, my desired weight is 185. I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. And you'll see now this chart is a little bit more accurate. You can see more distinction in the lines based on your target and actual weight. Some folks want to see it go lower than the desired weight though. So you're going to want to, again, double click on that axis. Maybe you want it to be at 170, let's say, just in case you actually go under that desired weight. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this axis again and put it to a blank number again, just to put a chart back to its original state. I hope you find this weight loss spreadsheet useful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com.